Going to the doctor is one of my biggest fears ever. This is going to be about the experience I just had. Ever since I was little, I have been getting sinus problems and sinus infections, ear infections, strep throat. So I finally went to the doctor about it. And upon entering the room, I sit in this chair, but it looks like a dentist chair. It's not like a bed. So I sit down and they're like, are you on medications? What are your symptoms? Whatever. The doctor comes in and he's nice. Then they proceeded to spray something up my nose. It wasn't that bad, except it dripped down the back of my throat, and it was the worst tasting. It was horrible. I was choking. It was disgusting. But it was to numb me, and it's never a good sign when they have to numb you for something. What they had to numb me for was sticking a giant camera up my nose. And it was actually a little camera, but the thing was this long, and they're it was bad. I had to tilt my head back, and they put this long camera up my nose to look around and everything, and I was like, no. And then they took it out. And they're like, okay, now we're gonna do the other side, but it's gonna be real quick. It wasn't. It was the same amount of time as the other side. The numbing effects of the spray didn't even take effect until after they had done it. And then even my teeth were numb. That sounds weird because you can't feel your teeth anyway. But when they go numb, then you realize that you can. What I found out was basically I have a severely deviated septum. And the septum is right in the middle of the nose, the septum piercing. Septum is a bone, I think, right in the middle. And it's supposed to be straight, so that your sinuses are even on both sides. But mine isn't. Mine is apparently it starts out straight and then goes makes it has a greater than sign, so it's really messed up. And that's what's causing all these problems. Also, I have acid reflux, which is weird because I have a pretty healthy diet. Let me tell you what I can't have. Basically, I can't have any chocolate, mint, gum, coffee, tea, any carbonated drink, any tomatoes, garlic, onions, any citrusy fruits, no spices, and I have to use this thing. I fill it up to this line, so this huge bottle filled up, and I just squirt it up my nose, both sides, until it's gone. And I also have to steam my face, boil some water, and put my head over it, and put a towel over it. Do that twice a day. I have to take Mucinex twice a day. And I have to drink this, and I could not take the pill of this. It's preferred that I buy the kind that you drink, and I hate drinking medicine. It's a cool mint flavor, but this is gonna be disgusting. I have to drink this after I eat every meal, and I can't drink 1 hour before I go to bed, and I can't eat 2 hours before I go to bed. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm not good with that type of thing. Instructions to follow and work to do. I don't, but it's my health. Oh, the best part is after 12 weeks, I have to get a CT scan, just a scan of my face, I think, kind of like an MRI, but it's not the full body. Then I'm most likely gonna have to get surgery. And I've never had surgery before. As severely deviated as my septum is, I hope they can do that without having to break my nose or something. I really don't want that. So yeah, that's my experience. Well, thank you for watching and listening to me complain. Happy complaining to all, I guess.